Hello, it's Ella here at MWS, and today I'll be showing how to do a Chappell Roan inspired look for Halloween! Alright, so first we're going to start off just getting my bangs out of the way with a little curler. And then I'm going to prep the skin with a little skin prep and just really get the oils out of the eyebrow. Next we're just going to take a regular old Elmer's glue stick, really coat the eyebrow with it, push it through with a spoolie, kind of to flatten it out. And I take a makeup wipe and just clean up the edges so that I don't have to deal with them later. Dry those bad boys down with a little fan, and then set them with some neutral set and a sponge. And of course, wipe off the excess. Now we're going to go in with a flat brush and Danessa Myricks' Color Fix in the shade Mermaid and just start to really get the shape of the eyeshadow down for Chappell Roan until it looks something like this. And just to fix up those edges, blend them out, I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and tap, 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 tap. And using a fluffy brush and the Glamazon Supreme Being palette, that shade in the top corner, I'm just going to darken up the edges, the crease, and just like the outer corner of my eyelid. Using a makeup wipe, I'm just going to cut out the crease a little bit. And then using another flat brush and the Mayron paint stick in white, I'm just going to kind of cut out the lid area of her crease until it looks like so. Now I'm going to take that silver from the same Glamazon palette and pat, 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 pat all over the lid. Now using a third and even bigger flat brush, I'm just going to start applying that same cream white to my forehead area because I want to start getting into the eyebrows in a second. Set that with super white and a puff. And now speaking of brows, we're going to use Sketch a Brow by Senna just to get some fine eyebrows going there. With this tiny My Kiko brush and Inglot's gel liner, we're going to make some wings. Using Cassette's number 10 brush, we're just going to buff some of that light blue in the Glamazon palette underneath the eye. And with a black Paris Berlin eyeliner, I'm just going to tight line real quick. Ooh, and here's the fun part. I'm going to take some Lit Cosmetics rhinestones and just apply it to the inner corner of my eye. Ah, so pretty! Now just apply some of your favorite mascara. Mine happens to be Neem. Now we can finally take that flat brush again and apply some more of the Mayron white cream paint all over the face. Using the Moira's liquid blush and a dense fluffy brush, we are going to apply as much blush as humanly possible. And then keep going by setting it with the Moira pressed blush. Take that super white and set again. And now it's time for the lips. So we're going to take the Krylon gel liner and just line around the edge. And then the Shunta Sharif liquid lipsticks, we're going to mix two together just to get to my desired shade. Mix, 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 mix. And apply, 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 apply. Now I'm taking the brown version of the Krylon gel liner and just pretending that I lined my lips, well, with it. Yeah. Take a little bit of that excess lipsticks and put on the teeth because that was on purpose. Now just add some lashes to make the finishing touches. Take your hair down because you deserve it. And then add a couple butterfly clips because, like, why not? Butterfly clips are fun. They add a nice touch. And you did it. You're Chappell Roan for Halloween. Congrats! Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok. We are at Wardrobe Supplies, and that's how you get all the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.